Better Futures Retrofit Accelerator is an essential element to the overall solution to accelerate the pace and scale of retrofit. Undaunted is a really important element to support the connection of innovators with practitioners, with local authorities, and we're really excited to be part of that.
We are a digital platform for digital twins focused solely on retrofit. And we do that by laser scanning properties, gathering information, and passing that information on to stakeholders. We always knew that one of the key things was to build trust. Our own platform was always based on creating that single source of truth. And I think that today it's really hit home that we do need to create that single source of truth and be that trusted partner for that main contractor, that client, or the person that's coming to have their home retrofitted. One of the benefits of joining this program has been the exposure to the various different parties that we would never have got in front of before. The way that it portrays itself brings in these stakeholders because they want to participate in the greater good for the climate, and I think, you wouldn't typically get that.
Our first innovation is a plant-based wall stud to replace steel wall studs in construction to lower the carbon footprint per linear metre for contractors and property developers. The timeline of this accelerator works perfectly with us because we are constantly progressing our product to trial it and pilot it with a BRE, get our BREEAM certifications to support that. But by the time that we're at the end of this, we should be at a point where we have our line up and running and we're able to pilot. So this journey is to meet people, to start putting them in those conversations now, and hopefully by the end of the accelerator, we've got a pilot in place.